Okay, let's show you how to post your videos. First, you need to make your account, and your account name, your username will be over here. Click this, and then click Images. Okay. You can add images here. When you click, say, is it this one? Yeah. Click this one. Oh, look at this. Why is it different now? This is the way I like to see it. This is one way you can do it. You just click the BBC image that's copied, and then go to your post and right click and paste it, and it's just fine. So what did I do different this time? There's another way to do this also. Let's do. Oh, posts. If you go to posts, I think. Okay, see, this is the old style right now when it's doing the, oh no, see, here you go. See, this is what you don't want. Okay, so go over here to your images, and now you can click this and do this, and you've got it. Okay, there we go. Last time there was a glitch or something. I wasn't getting this window the last time. But that's pretty easy how you do that.